Hey everybody, want to show you the defaults function in this video and want to make a quick call out that this function typically will never be used on its own. It's almost always going to be used with a patch function. So I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on it just because I simply just want to show you what it does so that when we do get to the patch function in detail of it, you'll understand, and I'll refer back to this video to explain it. So the syntax is quite simply defaults and then a data source. In this case, I am bound into the Microsoft Dataverse, specifically the contacts table in Dataverse, and I'm setting a variable called myvar, and I'm passing in the defaults, and I'm specifying the data source. That's all you do. But the purpose of this video is I wanted to show you what happens or what is going on programmatically behind the scenes to kind of help you understand this a little bit better. So if we look at the myvar, it just says record, and if you can barely see it, inside of the parentheses there's two mustache curly brackets that indicates a record, and it says data type is record, but we don't see any data. If you come over here and click on the ellipsis and then click on view record, all of a sudden we have a plethora of columns. Now these are all of the columns that come out of the box by default in Dataverse with the contacts table. And so as a result, when you say defaults, it simply just pulls back the schema for the table, populates this, and then it's up to you to know which of your columns are required by the data source in order to create a record. So just make sure that when you're writing your patch statement and you specify defaults, just make sure that you provide whatever records that are required by that data source, and you'll be good. I simply just wanted to show you that when you choose defaults, it essentially just takes a snapshot of that schema, puts it in context to what it is that you're trying to do with the patch variable. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.